It's showing 30, 33, 34. It's showing good quality, good stuff coming out of your system.
Yeah.
Good air. This is what I want to see. Something like that, you know. This sounds
check,
good.
Check out the heat as well.
Oh yeah. How much heat we're getting at the source? Let's see.
90,
Yeah, 90.
96.
This is our Zero Breeze Mark III air conditioner. It's portable. This one is plugged into the AC output, so you can pretty much use it in the house for emergencies or plug into any vehicle power source. Right here, you can change the temperature, and then we also have apps and remote control to set the temperature or sleep modes. It weighs 22 pounds. It's about 200 to 300 or even to 400 watts, depends on the insulation of the space. So it weighs 22 pounds without the battery.
So a lot more BTU or cooling.
Where does it collect the moisture?
Moisture.
Oh, okay, so you have the tank in the bottom, or retail price on this one?
It's 1300.
1,300. It's not bad.
What was retail?
1300. With the battery, it's 1800.
What's the weight on it too?
It's 22 pounds.
22 pounds. Oh, can I lift it up?
Yeah.
All right.
Designed to be able to carry by one.
That's not bad.
Oh.
Yeah, so you could do how much air?
Yeah, you can see the temperature.
That's good quality air. 39, 33, 34. So, let's see. Oh, I lost it. It's right there. Somewhere around there. Oh, really good.
More or less.
Yeah.
More or less.
It's not 100%, but it's what's supposed to be coming out, which is good, you know. Which is good.
Yeah.
Runabout. 10 degrees runabout.
Yeah.
Mostly in every machine does the same thing.